Good morning, my dear friends. In this session, we are going to discuss about structure and modification of insect legs and structure of male and female genitalia. Let's see about insect legs. See, this is the insect thoracic region. Insect thoracic region consisting of three segments, that is prothorax, mesothorax and metathorax. Each thoracic segment bears a pair of segmented legs. That is, prothoracic legs are known as foreleg, mesothoracic legs are known as midleg, and metathoracic legs are known as hind legs. Therefore, in almost all insects, all the three thoracic segments bears a pair of segmented legs. See, this is the individual leg. Each leg consisting of 5 segments. They are coxa, trochanter, femur, tibia, and tarsus. See, this is the coxa. This is the first segment of the insect leg, and it is freely movable. And this is the trochanter, that is the second segment of the insect leg, usually small and single segmented. And this is the insect leg femur. This is the largest and stoutest part of insect leg. This is the tibial part of insect leg. This is the strongest and longest part of insect leg, and which is provided with these spines and spurs. Tarsus. This is the last segment of the insect leg, and which is end in pretarsus. Then what do you mean by pretarsus? Beyond the tarsus, there are several structures are commonly known as pretarsus. The tarsus terminate into a pair of strongly curved claws, and in between the claws, a median pad-like structure is known as aroleum. At the same time, at the base of the claws, a pair of pad-like structures are there known as pulvilli. These leg pads are useful for insect when it is walking on the smooth surface, while the claws gives needed grip when the insect is walking on the rough surface. When one structure is using by insect, another structure bends upward. See different types of insect legs. In insects, legs are modified into several types based on the habitat and the food habit of the insects. In relation to the habitat, when the insect is aquatic, they develop aquatically suitable legs. When the insect is terrestrial, then they develop terrestrially suitable legs. In relation to the habitat, it's okay. In relation to the food habit, when the insect is predatory, then it's develop the legs in accordance with the predation. When the insect is herbivorous, then it's developed some other kind of leg. Now we are going to see different types of insect legs and their modifications. Ambulatorial legs. These are the walking legs. The fore and mid leg of the grasshopper are the ambulatorial leg, and these legs help in walking for the grasshopper. saltatorial legs. These are the leaping or jumping leg. The hind leg of grasshopper is the saltatorial leg, which helps the grasshopper for jumping. Cursorial leg. These are the running legs. All the three pairs of legs of cockroach and ants are the running legs. These legs are suited for running in these insects. Scansorial legs. These are the climbing or clinging leg. All the three pairs of legs of head louse are scansorial legs, which help the head louse for climbing or clinging the hairs of host. Fossorial leg. These are the digging or burrowing legs. Four legs of the mole cricket are the fossorial legs. Raptorial leg. These are the predatory or grasping legs. The four legs of the praying mantids are raptorial legs. Natatorial legs. These are the swimming legs. The hind legs of the water bug and water beetles are natatorial legs. These legs help in swimming. These legs help in swimming of the insects. Stick legs. All the three pairs of legs of housefly are the stick's leg. The sticking leg help in attachment of the housefly to the substratum. Clasping leg. Four legs of the male water beetles are the clasping legs. These legs help in clasping the mate during the copulation. Basket legs. The legs of dragonfly and damselfly are the basket legs. These insects capture the prey and keep in their basket and feed on them later. Forageal legs. These are the food collecting legs. The hind legs of honeybees are the forageal legs. In honeybees, the four legs are useful for antennal cleaning, mid legs are useful for wax picking, and hind legs are useful for food collection. The hind legs of honeybees is provided with the pollen basket, pollen packer, and pollen comb. Now we are going to see legs in immature stage. Immature stage insect consisting of two types of legs. They are thoracic legs or true legs, abdominal legs or prolegs or pseudo legs. The thoracic legs are calling has two legs because these legs come into the adult stage. The abdominal legs are known as pseudo legs because they last in larval or pupal stage only, they do not come in adult stage. The abdominal prolegs are unjointed, short, fleshy structures which are provided with the flat surface at the bottom is known as the planta. A number of hook-like structure on the planta is known as crochets, and these crochets help in clinging and crawling on the surface of the substratum. These crochets are absent in softfly larvae, hence the softfly larvae fall easily when we touch it. Larval classification based on the position of the proleg. See, this is the insect head and thorax. Generally, the thoracic legs are three pairs. These are commonly present in all insect larvae. But see, in the abdomen, a pair of proleg is present in the 6th and 10th abdominal segment. Due to the absence of the legs in between the thoracic and 6th pair of abdominal leg, this insect forms a big loop when it is walking. That's why we are calling it as looper. See here, this is the insect head and three pairs of thoracic legs. And this insect containing proleg on 5th, 6th and 10th abdominal segment. Due to the absence of the legs in between thoracic and 5th abdominal leg, this insect forms a small loop-like structure when it is walking. That's why we are calling it as semi-looper. In caterpillars, the prolegs are present on 3rd, 4th, 5th, 6th and 10th abdominal segments. Now we are going to see about female genital structure. Female genital structure is situated on the ventral side of 8th and 9th abdominal segment. The female genital structure or ovipositor contain three pairs of valves or valvulae. See here, this is the first pair of valve, second pair of valve and third pair of valve. Actually, from the base of the 8th segment, valvifer 1 will be generated and it gives off a pair of valvulae. That is the first valve. Similarly, from the base of the 9th segment, valvifer 2 will be originated and it gives off each of a pair of valvulae 2 and valvulae 3. Valvulae 2 and valvulae 3. See, this is the valvulae 2 and valvulae 3 pairs. See here also in vertical section, this is the first pair of valve. This is the first pair of valve or valvulae, and this is the second pair of valve or valvulae, and this is the third pair of valve or valvulae. Now we are going to see about male genital structure. This is the male genital structure of the click beetle, which is belong to the order Coleoptera and family Elateridae. The whole copulatory organ of higher insect is known as adigus. This adigus helps in insemination. In addition to the insemination, it also helps in clasping and providing sensory stimulation to the female insect. Typically, the adigus contain a tubular structure is known as penis. Penis internally contain a tube-like structure is known as endophallus, and this endophallus is aborted during the insemination. The ejaculatory duct opens at the tip of either penis or endophallus. The lateral lobe-like structure to the penis are known as the parameres, and these parameres help in clasping and providing sensory stimulation to the female insects. See here the 9th abdominal segment of the bristletile and their reproductive organs. Thank you.